Today, we will talk about how to design a small garden. Let's have a look at the details. Even if you don't have a large area in your yard, you can still make a beautiful garden that maximizes the space you have. Before you begin digging or planting, make sure you have a detailed plan for the layout of your garden and the plants you want to include. The first step is choosing the best location. Choose an area that gets 6-8 hours of sun daily, since most flowering plants and vegetables require full sun to grow properly. Opt for the sunniest area in your yard to place your garden. Pick a spot that's close to a water source. Try to find an area that either has a natural water source or sits close to your outdoor hose attachment. Opt for a place where you can easily access your garden. Make sure you can walk into your garden with ease to make it easier to take care of your plants. Measure the space you have available for your garden. Double-check your measurements to make sure they're accurate so you can plan the space efficiently. The second step is following design principles. Plan the layout for your garden to scale on a piece of graph paper. Start by sketching longer rectangles for your garden beds, so they're to scale for the actual size you want them. Use square foot gardening for the most compact growing system. Make a grid on your design, so each square is 1 by 1 foot. Make a list of the plants you want to grow and label each square on the grid with one of the plants from your list. Arrange your design so there are focal points. Aim to have 1-2 aspects of your garden design unique, so they stand out from the rest of your plants. Put similar plants across from one another to create rhythm and symmetry. Make the edge height of the horizontal length to help it feel enclosed. Making your garden feel enclosed will make you feel more comfortable while you're working in your garden. Include room for seating in your design if you want a place to relax. Look online or at gardening stores to find outdoor seating that fits your space and matches your style. The third step is selecting your plants. Opt for raised beds that are 12 inches deep for better soil. Look for raised beds or containers that are around 4 feet wide and 12 inches deep, so the plant roots have room to grow. Mix ornamental and edible plants together in your garden. Try to include at least 1-2 types of flowering ornamental plants in each of your garden beds where you plan on growing vegetables. Choose compact varieties of plants to maximize the space. If you like the look of larger plants and want to grow them, check your local gardening center to see if they have compact versions of them. Use companion planting to reduce competition for nutrients and manage pests. Talk to an employee at a gardening center or look online about the plants you want to grow and what pairs well with them. Include a fence or trellis to help plants grow vertically. Try to put the trellis or fence along the north side of your garden, so plants growing on it can get the most light throughout the day. Try succession planting if you want a large variety of vegetation. Look for plants that stop blooming or are ready to harvest in the middle of the growing season. And the fourth step is tending your garden. Mulch between your plants to help the soil retain water. Spread the mulch evenly across your garden, so it's about 2 inches away from any of your plant stems. Water the soil when it feels dry 3 inches below the surface. Check the soil daily to make sure it doesn't dry out and kill your plants. Apply fertilizer at the beginning and middle of the growing season. You can either use liquid fertilizer or buy granules that soak into the soil. Pull weeds out by hand when you see them growing. Avoid leaving the weeds' roots in the soil since they could grow back. Prune plants to control their sizes. Begin pruning at the start of the season to help promote new growth, and in the middle of the season to help keep your garden looking clean. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.